Sugary drinks like those should be enjoyed in moderation.
We just walked a zillion miles. That means I burned more calories than I drank. So it's like negative calories.
Not quite. You'd actually have to skip dinner and breakfast tomorrow morning just to break even after guzzling all that.
What a shame.